Hello! We are back with our latest innovation, u-blox GPS RTK HAT for Raspberry Pi. This GPS RTK HAT has a centimeter level u-blox GNSS module. RTK is short for real-time kinematics. A GPS receiver with RTK capability receives both the regular signals from the global navigation satellite system and a correction stream to attain positional precision of 1 centimeter. Wait, did you say 1 centimeter? Oh my god, how do I get 1 centimeter accuracy? Is it even possible? Yes, it is. Once everything is configured and operational, the rover GPS module will produce typical NMEA words along with extremely precise latitude and longitude. To be clear, it is 1 centimeter accuracy, not 1 centimeter precision. Yes, it has a 0.1 mm accuracy. Unbelievable, isn't it? Not only this, the GNSS includes satellites from GPS, GLONASS, BeiDou, and Galileo. That simply means it will work anywhere and everywhere. The u-blox module supports Jackson Nano and the standard 40-pin GPIO expansion header for the Raspberry Pi range of devices. Its fast convergence time, centimeter-level precision, and high update rates for multi-band RTK sets this product far apart. The u-blox GPS RTK HAT also has the enhanced systems that provide service location positioning such as SBS, QZSS, IMES, and DGPS. It also features strong anti-spoofing and anti-jamming capabilities. 167 decibel milliwatts navigation sensitivity and supports geofencing. Not only this GPS RTK HAT is equipped with onboard 1.14-inch LCD with brilliant 240 by 240 resolution, 4 LEDs, Type-C USB communication, external GPS antenna, 40-pin GPIO, multi-brand RTK, and u-blox GNSS module. Apart from centimeter-level accuracy, this GPS RTK HAT also features GNSS correction data, global coverage, concurrent reception of GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou. When compared to other GPS modules, this device improves position accuracy in busy cities or covered areas. Continuous positioning is feasible even in metropolitan areas with weak signals as well as in places with no signals at all, including short tunnels and parking garages. This u-blox GPS RTK HAT is the finest option for autonomous robotic applications that need accurate positioning under challenging conditions. So what are you waiting for? Back us now and bring about the change you have never experienced before.